Tá começando mais um.
In this first video, you'll see a motorcyclist enjoying his ride. When he reached a curve, he fell into the grass on the roadside. Luckily, he's okay and didn't take as much damage. A motorcyclist was racing with his teammates, but unfortunately, he lost control of his bike at a curve and went off the track. He was wearing full protective gear, so the fall didn't injure him. He continued the race afterwards. Wow, he must have a lot of experience riding on roads like this. He was very lucky to walk away from this one with no injuries and nothing broken on the bike.
Holy f***, you good, dude?
How come there's no fucking sign right there?
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Hey, take a second, bro. That was gnarly. I got that on camera. Take a second.
Oh my! The cyclist was riding on the wrong side of the road and collided with the motorcyclist, causing him to fall. Why he was riding like that? He was really reckless. Luckily, it was a minor collision, so no one was injured. Next time, drive more responsibly. Oops, do you know what happened to him? Leave a comment below the description box. This is what can happen when riding on a wet road. His motorcycle slipped, and he fell, but luckily, he's okay. The motorcyclist in front lost control of his bike and veered straight into the roadside grass. The grass made the fall harmless for the rider, and he is completely fine. Next time, slow down, my guy. Oh no, he didn't see the red light, did he? After that collision, he's okay, but his bike was broken.
Hey, you good? Hey, you good? What the hell? Don't finish me. How are you gonna do that?
Oh, there was almost a collision. Luckily, both the motorcyclist and the garbage truck driver reacted in time.
Yeah. How are you gonna just go like this and then don't even look where you're going? You know, after that.
The motorcyclist skidded and fell on a curb in the road. Fortunately, both he and his friend are okay. Next time, take it slow.
Двигайся. Alter, Alter, warum ist das so rutschig gewesen?
Oh, böse.
The motorcyclist tried to go very slowly to avoid the car, but the bike lost balance and he fell. Luckily, it was a minor fall, so he's okay, and passers-by also came to help him.
Ahora. Me sonó el chino Domingo.
This motorcyclist was stopping to reinstall the map app on his phone.
Está bien pagado, pero.
Sí, cuesta, vos. No me quiero ni cenar. Voy para solo.
Dale, ahí nos vemos. ¿Qué wea, tonto concha tu madre?
When he wasn't paying attention, a motorcyclist suddenly jumped up from behind and stole his phone. Luckily, he reacted in time and didn't lose the phone.
Imbécil de mierda.
In this video, you'll witness the motorcyclist navigating an uphill slope where the bike momentarily loses traction and shoots forward, causing the rider to fall backward. However, his extensive experience on such terrains seems to have kept him unharmed.
My fellow nutty
A group of motorcyclists is gathering and starting to set off. One of them loses her balance, and her bike falls over. Luckily, everything is fine, and she continues her ride with her teammates.
We got a bike down. We got a bike down. Hold on. We got. I was like, it's happening in slow motion.
In this case, both vehicles were in each other's blind spots, leading to a collision. Luckily, it was a minor collision, so he is still okay.
Why? Why, man? Why? No matter you look, there is a bus coming.
Começando mais Eita, cachorro, filha da mãe!
He almost hit that dog. Always be aware of your surroundings and drive slowly, especially being cautious of animals on the road.
Eu peguei o cachorro, velho. Nossa, eu sabia que ele ia.
Oh my, he seems to have little experience handling a vehicle on winding roads like this. Despite going slowly, he still couldn't control the bike and crashed into the roadside fence.
You're alright.
I'm alright.
Take it easy.
That's exactly how it happened to
Yep.
Wait till I get up. I dropped off the bourbon.
Oh my god. Today might be a bad day for this motorcyclist. He got hit by a truck from behind, causing him to fall. He's completely fine, but his bike is not.
What the f?
Oh my god! Gap को तो देखो जरा gap को.
Oh no, it seems like today is a bad day for him. He was going too fast to brake in time. Luckily, he's still okay. One person in the motorbike group was riding in front and looked back, causing him to crash into the rider in front and resulting in a chain collision. Always remember to ride carefully and avoid reckless actions like this. In this situation, the motorcyclist should have slowed down instead of trying to overtake. The collision caused both to fall onto the grass, making the fall less painful, so both are okay.
Le kéké a essayé de doubler, mais je me suis pas plus posé de questions que ça.
Oh my god, almost had a collision. Guess who was at fault in this case?
Puta, cara! Tu é louco! Salve X-Racing! Car... velho!
Lucky it only was a close call. That only run yellow if you can't slow down enough, and if you run one, be aware to get through safe for everyone. In this video, you'll see a kind motorcyclist buying coffee to randomly give to the next person in line. Let's check it out.
Hi, I didn't order anything. I'm buying whoever's behind me a drink.
Alright, we'll get her reaction here.
Were you like, this guy's cutting me off in line? I don't have any cup holders on here, so have a good day.
They ride some road with really deep loose gravel and unfortunately end up losing control of the bike, but luckily the fall was light, so no one was injured.
Oh, thank you.
Let's get it up!
If you have gained any personal insights from watching this video, feel free to share them down below in the comment section with us right now. Thank you for watching. Please consider to like and subscribe if you enjoy the video, and turn on your notifications bell, so always stay tuned with any other our upcoming videos.